Ltd, and today I'm going to share with you another amazing recipe using gluten. We're going to be making fried gluten steaks. So if you haven't already seen the video where I made gluten from scratch, I encourage you to go ahead and watch that. I'm going to link it in the cards above. But today we're going to pick up from after the gluten is already made. We would have seasoned the gluten. Use your favorite seasoning, but I always marinate it using Bajan seasoning. Put a slice in it and just leave it to marinate for a couple of hours. Now we're going to get ready to fry. So let's go over the ingredients. We have some gluten steaks, and we're going to use the double breading method. So we have flour and breadcrumb mix. We have some egg wash and another set of flour and breadcrumbs mixed. Now we're going to prepare to fry our gluten steaks. So we're gonna dredge them through the flour and breadcrumb mixture, number one. Next, we're gonna add them to the egg wash and dredge them through the flour again.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man,
We're almost done. So we'll put some oil in our frying pan, and we're gonna add our gluten steaks. Once the oil is nice and hot, we're gonna allow them to fry until they're golden brown, about 3 or so minutes on each side. Our gluten steaks are done. They smell amazing. They look great. Now it's time to taste. Delicious, simply delicious, nice and soft and yet crunchy. The only thing missing is a salad. Fried gluten steaks. Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other recipes, and once you've watched them all, click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.